interested in some Valentine's gifts for your loved ones? If yes, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now y'all are already aware that Valentine's Day is going to approach soon, and definitely we all are in need for some good gifting ideas, or maybe we can say we are all in search of some best gifting options. Even I was in search of some best gifting options for my mom, for my sister-in-law, as well as for my friends. So I was just searching Myglamm app few days back, and I saw that they have launched their Valentine's collection. That is a not perfume, it is parfume, P-A-R-F-U-M-E, perfume collection. Right now, what is the difference between a perfume and a parfume? I'll tell you each and everything after the introduction of this perfume. Basically, when I was searching the app, I saw they have launched 5 different kinds of Eau de perfume. You can see over here they have written Myglamm Lit Xoxo. This is basically the outer packaging. Can you see? And I think my ring light will be reflecting, so please don't mind that, because it is kind of a glossy finish. And this is, as I told you, it is Eau de perfume. You all can see. Okay, whatever, I'll attach an image over here. So if at all you cannot see on this fonts, you can see the image. The difference between, I'll tell you now first what is the difference between a perfume and a parfume. I have already taken out my notes also. Perfume basically is the highest concentration, and it stays on your body, say maybe more than 8 hours and more. Like it has 20 to 30% of oil, the perfume. Now the Myglamm, which has launched this 5 different variants, they have parfume. Parfume has little lower concentration, around 50 to 20% of oil, and it stays on your body for maybe around 4 to 5 hours, and after that definitely you can reapply. But the added advantage of Eau de perfume is it lasts on your skin without giving next people headache. That is, if someone is sitting next to you, it won't give any kind of headache to the other person, and without transferring onto someone else's neck. Suppose if you have applied over here and you are hugging someone and your neck is touching to someone else's neck or something, then this perfume will not get transferred on the other person's body. So that is one plus point, and you can use this all like on your pulse points, on pulse points and all that. All I think you all are aware where you can use the perfumes and everything. Okay, and this is the most common fragrance category. As you all know, perfume is the most common category. Okay, now you will ask me about the packaging and all. Now I'll tell you, this is made in India. So if at all someone who is not into PRC manufactured products, then definitely this is made in India. Each and every details they have given. This is the outer front side. Over here you all can see they have given you a nice cutout of a heart shape, and you can see through the bottle. Each and every variant they have different colors packaging. Suppose if you have taken, this is Sassy, and you will think is Sassy and this particular Dreamy is similar, then no. This one is kind of a green kind of color, and this is kind of a bluish finish. Y'all can see. So there is a difference, and each and every variant they have given the name on the backside. Backside y'all can see all the details are given. Okay, it says Myglamm Lit XOXO fragrance Sassy, that is the variant name. Let your fragrance, that is 1-2 lines they have given you the introduction. The fragrance consists of the top note, the heart notes and the base notes. They have given each and every notes. Now whenever I'll like explain you about each and every fragrance, I'll tell you about top notes, base note as well as the heart notes, and I'll try to attach a picture. I'm not sure whether the picture will come proper or no, but I'll definitely try to do my level best, and while explaining each and every fragrance I'll attach a picture also. If at all you cannot understand my explanation, then you can check the notes as well. Okay, they have given you how to use. Spray perfume on your pulse point and dab gently and avoid rubbing after application. They said just dab, don't rub. Okay, caution, what you have to just keep. They have also given you the ingredients and everything. The manufacturing is 1/20/22, that is January manufactured, and it is good till 12/20/24, that is 3 years of shelf life. This is cruelty free, and the MRP of this product is 395 rupees, and each perfume I rather say contains 25 ml of quantity. Okay, now I'll just open the packaging and I'll show you. This is the outer packaging. I have like Myglamm is written on these sides. They have given you a barcode scanner. Suppose if you want to have little more information, you can score, and they have given you for tutorials and rewards. They have told you over there. Just opening, like after opening the lid, I'll just keep the box aside. This is the box, I'm keeping it aside, and it comes in this kind of a packaging where you have to open the light is going to definitely reflect. You just have to open this plastic, and inside that there is the bottle. Now this is the bottle. You can see this is the bottle. Now over here they have given you a you can say a like kind of a place where you can hold the bottle. You just have to push from backside and you just have to take your bottle out. This is the bottle, and over here in the packaging also they have given a nice attention. You can see over here also there is a heart. So after opening the packaging, after taking out the bottle also, the packaging looks decent. So this is very like, if you are going out somewhere, you can just keep the perfume in this particular packaging. No need to carry this. You can keep this and you can keep it safely. This will not 100% secure, but yeah, 50-60% this can secure your packet like bottle. Okay, this is the inner packaging. Now we'll talk about the bottle packaging. It is this. You can see the bottle. It is literally a heart shaped bottle. Okay, you just have to open this white part. This white is the cap. You have to open the cap. On the white cap, you can see over here they have given Myglamm Lit is written over here, and over here they have given you the XOXO and the variant name. Now I'll just tell you all the variants name. First one is Sassy, Spicy, Flirty, Dreamy and Feisty. These are all the fragrance name what they have included. Each and every fragrance, like if you check this too, you can check the liquid color also, it is different, right? This is kind of green, this is kind of pink kind of shade, right? Peachy pink, this is light pink. Then if you check, this is a minty green, and if you check this, this is the lavender kind of like color. So this all are different colors. Now when you talk about the packaging, they just have written the name, and whatever the details they have given, it's given over here on the base, but it is very small font, and I'm not sure, even I cannot see with my naked eye. But in any case, if you want to just note down the manufacturing and expiry, you can make a tag and you can just keep it over here, because the variant name is already given, so no need for that. And when you open it, as I told you, it is this is the bottle, and this much quantity you are going to get. This is the quantity what you will get, each and every bottle, right? Now I'll just tell you, one second. Yeah, and if you want to keep this on your vanity, they have given you a base kind of thing, support. Like you can see, it won't fall off, and it is kind of a heart, definitely that you know. This is basically this year's variant. Last year they had come up with the lip gloss. I'm not sure if you all have purchased or not, but definitely I have already purchased, and this was their last year's lip gloss, Myglamm XOXO lip gloss. Even this was a limited edition. I'm not sure, even I think this is a limited edition, whatever is the detail I'll give you. Like if you want, you can check on Myglamm's app also, as well as you will get all the information, and I'll give you my referral code also. If you will use my referral code, you will get some discount on your order. Now first we will talk about the Sassy one. Sassy. Now the top notes of Sassy is bergamot, salt, mint, cologne and lemon. This is the top note. Now when you talk about the hard note, it is of orange blossom, lily of the valley, tonka bean and geranium. This is the hard notes. And when you talk about the base notes, it is woody, musk, sandalwood and vetiver. Let me just spray a little bit and smell. Yes, this is kind of giving me a woody fragrance. I'll just spray a little bit. Yes, this is giving me very cooling effect, like in my nose. Of course, there is no word kind of cooling effect in your nose, but it is giving me. And this is kind of definitely whatever they have, like I can have, like I'm having the notes of mint, lemon, little bit. Yes, I can have lily. I'm just getting teeny tiny, not much. And sandalwood. Yes, it is like, it is true to the notes, whatever they have given you the notes, it is true to the notes. So this is the basically notes for the Sassy one. Now I have told you, I show you the Sassy one also, like Sassy one. Now this is the spicy. Can see, this is the spicy variant. Okay, now when you talk about the outer packaging of Sassy, it is this. Everything, rest all the details and everything will be same. Now the spicy notes I'll give you up over here, as to I told you image. The top notes of the spicy one is lavender and lemon. Heart notes is of black pepper and carnation, and base notes are of leather and vetiver. So if you are a person who is looking out for this kind of notes, then definitely you can go for the spicy one. I'll just smell. Yes, definitely I can. Even this also I can have the notes of lavender and lemon. Leather, not much but little bit. And vetiver. Now we'll just spray a little bit and we'll check. I'll just spray a little on my hand. Yes, definitely I can smell leather, vetiver as well. Yes, definitely true to its fragrance. Very nice. Spicy one is also a good fragrance. Okay, now this is the Flirty packaging. Each and every packaging, like everything is same, but just because of my ring light I cannot keep it for more hour, because otherwise the ring light will reflect. All the details are given. Now I'll just tell you about the notes for the Flirty, and I'll attach a picture also up over here. Top notes of flowers, berries and musk. Heart notes of bergamot, mirabelle plum and blackberry, and base notes of amber, burgundy rose, geranium and peony flower. These are the notes for the Flirty one. Now we'll talk about the packaging of Flirty. It is this kind of a pinky, what you can say, pinky liquid or perfume rather. I'll just smell. Yes, I can basically smell musk. This is kind of a musky. Flowers I cannot have much. Berries, yes, I can have notes of berries. I'll just, I don't know, it is little bit leaked, not exactly leaked, but it's okay. Maybe just because of the packaging or something. I'll just spray a little bit. Yes, I can have the notes of burgundy rose, peony flower. Yes, yeah, peony flower I can have more notes. Yeah, definitely a Flirty smell, I can say that. So this one is the Flirty one. Now we'll talk about the Dreamy one. Dreamy is this blue packaging. You can see. Right, I'll tell you the notes. I'll attach a picture also over here. Top notes is of citrus, heart notes of peony and jasmine, and base notes of patchouli and amber. Only simple and like clean fragrance, you can say. Very few notes. Yes, I can have kind of a citrusy. Yes, the dominant like one is a citrus. Yes. Now I'll spray a little bit in the air only, because I have already 2 fragrance on my hand. So I'll just spray a little bit in air. Yes, I can have the notes of peony and jasmine little bit. Yes, amber I can have more. Yeah, amber I can, like, I get the notes of amber more. Patchouli little less. Yes, so this is the fragrance for Dreamy. Okay, now we'll talk about the last fragrance. Last one is Feisty. This is the outer packaging of Feisty. Same, everything is given over here, each and all detail. I'll tell you now the notes. Again, I'll attach a picture here. Top notes of cypress, ozone, bergamot and lemon. Heart notes of mahogany, carnation and cinnamon. And base notes of sandalwood, musk, patchouli and vetiver. Too much fragrance. Now let's see the outer packaging. This is the Feisty one. Right. Yes. I can... Basically, I get more notes of lemon. No, lemon I think is a dominant fragrance. Then cinnamon a little. Sandalwood, yes, of course. I can have sandalwood and vetiver. Yeah, sandalwood and vetiver. I'll just spray a little bit in air again. Yes, sandalwood. Definitely sandalwood. Yes. I can have, like, I can smell more notes of sandalwood. So this is the last fragrance. Now I'll tell you my final thoughts. In and all, if you ask me what are my final thoughts, or maybe you will ask me, because I always get maximum question which fragrance I liked the most. I liked 2 fragrances the most, Spicy and Feisty. So if at all you are a person who likes lavender, lemon, like black peppers, carnation, leather, vetiver kind of fragrance, then you can go for the spicy one, which is this. Okay, and if at all you are a person who likes the fragrance of bergamot, lemon, again in this also lemon is there, lemon, mahogany, cinnamon, sandalwood, musk, patchouli and vetiver, then you can go for the Feisty one. I am not saying rest 3 all, that is the other 3 are not good. They are good, they are very good, they are excellent in fact, but I like this 2 more. Rather than, like, I like this 2 more than the other 3. All because I have purchased all 5. Just because I was very intrigued in the packaging, as well as since the Valentine's Day is coming, I can like give this to my friends and family as a gift, or I can keep everything for myself also. I can give it to my mom, I can give it to my sister-in-law, whoever like I want to give them, I can give them. Right now, before ending the video, I'll just tell you what is on my lips. I am having again Myglamm lipstick, the shade 08. It is Myglamm in the lit lipstick, slow fade. So this is the lipstick. I forgot the name. I'm not sure why. Slow fade is the lipstick what I'm having right now on my lips. And if you have any other question, and like you will ask me whether you can go for it or no, definitely you can buy 1 or 2. If you want to gift someone, you can buy all 5. Again, I'm telling you, if you want to see some notes or something, they have given every details, I think, on their website also. You can check the website, all the details you will get. And if you are not getting any other detail and you want me to, like, you want ask me, so sorry, you want to ask me anything, then definitely you can DM me on Instagram. I'll give you my Insta handle also on the screen, as well as it will be given in the description box as well. You can follow me over there. You can ask me anything over there. And if not on Instagram, suppose you are a person who is not using Instagram, then you can leave a comment down below. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel. And if at all you feel I have forgotten something or I have not included something, then please don't hesitate. Don't just skip the video or something. Don't hesitate to comment down below and ask me, like, okay fine Meghna, we want to just ask you this detail, so if you can help us, then definitely I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.